You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need to be rich. You don't even need 10 grand in your account. And you especially don't need to know what a PE ratio is. You just need 3 things to get this right. And the problem is the system is built by rich people for rich people. But listen, rule number 1, buy assets, not liabilities. Assets, put money in your pockets, stocks, gold, real estate. They all go up in value. Your new car, those clothes, that reposado that you bought at the club, they don't go up, they go down. They take money out of your pocket. So stop buying these things that lose value if you own them and start buying things that will pay you back. Rule number 2, automate. So discipline isn't optional. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Don't think about it too much. Just set it up once, let it run in the background. You can increase the contributions or investments over time if you really want to, but consistency is really what wins here. Now, rule number 3, you invest boring. You don't need the next big thing, the next big stock. Just throw your money into a boring index fund like VOO, QQQM, VTI. Let the smart people do the work and you just add your money to the pile and your money will grow with it. That's it. Automate, stay boring, and you're good. Now, if you want to know exactly how to get started, I broke everything down in a video right here. And I also have a free 5 steps to investing checklist for beginners in the description down below. Till next time.